Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Multivan eHybrid. This van comes with a long wheelbase style. It also has a 1.4 litre TSI engine pushing out 218 PS. It comes in a beautiful two-tone colour in deep black and Fortana red. This vehicle is an eHybrid, which means it can be fueled with petrol and also charged like an EV vehicle. Starting off with the front exterior features of this multivan, it has front parking sensors to add to that extra bit of safety and confidence when you're maneuvering the vehicle. It also has mud flaps at the front as well. The wheels that this multivan sits on are 18-inch Toshiba silver alloy wheels. You also get a tyre mobility kit and a lockable wheel bolts. Moving around to the back, the rear exterior features include rear parking sensors, again to add extra bit of comfortability and safety when you're maneuvering the vehicle. You also have an electric comfort tailgate which allows you to open and close automatically, and you have rear mud flaps. This just protects against any mud and debris on the wheels. Opening up the electric tailgate, you can see that the boot space has been segregated by the load compartment partition. You can fit up to 20 kg with bag hooks and luggage net. Once you are done taking or loading your belongings, you can press the electric shutter button that will automatically shut the tailgate. You have twin electric sliding doors on either side of the vehicle, which will allow you to enter and access the rear seats. You have a 3-seater passenger bench at the front and 2 at the back, which are covered in Savona bicolor leather upholstery. This just adds an extra bit of style and sleekness to the seats. You also have a USB-C charging unit at the side of the door that will allow you to charge your devices, and you have 2 foldable food trays. To shut the sliding doors, all you have to do is press the handle and that will automatically close the door. You can also fold the seat on the middle to turn into a table, which will allow you to eat as well as store your drinks. This will also give access to the back of the seats. Above these seats, you have a 90% tinted panoramic sunroof, which allows light in. You also have the 2 passenger seats at the front, which are covered in the same upholstery as the rear seats. Both seats have armrests for extra comfortability. You also have a 10-inch fully touchscreen infotainment system at the front. As mentioned earlier, this infotainment system is fully touchscreen. It allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations, as well as use the inbuilt navigation system to help you on your journey and get at traffic updates. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth to listen to your own personalized music. Moving over to what is in front of the driver, they have a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel, which will allow them to skip through their favorite songs, answer calls, use the inbuilt cruise control, and adjust the volume. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan eHybrid. Thank you for watching and goodbye.